He ate a walleye diver. That ain't coming out. Dude, that's not good.
Hey, it's a kite!
Dude, that's a hungry fish. Hey, we're gonna eat it. Leave it. Hook it. Put on the stringer.